welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana and strawberry ice cream with very few ingredients. You'll need some bananas, a knife. You can also use toppings. I use sprinkles and cacao nibs. I also added in some strawberries for extra flavor. First, get the bananas and peel it. When you're done peeling one, peel the next. When you're done doing that, cut the pieces of banana into thin pieces, but not too thin. Now, place all the slices of bananas onto a piece of parchment paper. Next, slice the strawberries into cubes. Watch your fingers so you don't get cut. Slice, slice, slice. Now place the strawberries onto the parchment paper too. Now put the sliced pieces of fruit into the freezer for at least 2 hours. It's been 2 hours and this is what the pieces of sliced fruit should look like when you're done. Put the frozen fruit into a blender. All of the fruit is inside the blender. Blend the fruit until it's turned into ice cream. Make sure it's nice and creamy. The ice cream looks all done. I scooped up ice cream into 3 bowls for my family. All done. Now the ice cream's all done. It looks delicious. I'm going to add some toppings like sprinkles and cacao nibs. Sprinkles make everything better. I added some sprinkles and cacao nibs. Now it's time to eat. This is yummy and it's creamy and delicious. This is almost like store-bought ice cream. It's better and healthier. I can't believe we made this using only 2 ingredients besides the toppings. I think I'll put some more sprinkles. This ice cream is perfect for a hot summer day. You can make it while you're at home. You should really try it. thanks for eating with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you try to make this ice cream too. Bye!